Well, what can I say about JavaLogix and Preston Martelly?
Preston Martelly.
Preston.
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 Preston here from JavaLogix.
I met Preston in 2020 when JavaLogix did digital marketing for one of my companies.
I found JavaLogix through another company that I found on YouTube.
I met Preston at a car show in downtown Toronto.
Hi, my name is Mélanie Courtement. I feel blessed to have met Preston.
My name is Jeremy. I am the Graduate Career and Internship Coordinator at Carleton University Sprott School of Business. I recently did an info session from JavaLogix.
I own Clear Sky Solar. It's a solar company, and I reached out to him, and our website is great looking, but it's slow. Can you fix it? He fixed it right then and there.
There were some things that he surprised me with that I could use for my own advantage. He gave a lot of advice that I really haven't gotten anywhere else.
I could not have asked to learn from anyone better, not only in digital marketing, but in business in general. It's an amazing experience every time. He's efficient, he's thorough, he's so kind, he's just such a great teacher and leader. I reference him all the time.
Not only did he share his knowledge and expertise, but he also gave me great advice on how to get started with my business. His contribution to my professional growth and development have been invaluable.
Preston is experienced, the sessions are fun and inclusive, and you're guaranteed to walk away with tools and tips that'll help you grow and define your business as you progress.
He was engaging, provided detailed answers to all student questions, and provided great insight into growing trends associated with the digital marketing field. He is extremely passionate and very competent when it comes to this business industry.
We will be using him in the future for our SEO as well.
Website, SEO, Instagram, the whole package.
Thank you enough, Preston.
Thank you so much, Preston, for everything you've done.
I highly recommend him to any business looking for an experienced digital marketing professional.
I highly recommend him to anyone looking for services in digital marketing.
If you haven't already attended one of Preston Martelly's digital marketing mastermind sessions, I highly recommend you do.
JavaLogix is great.
I look forward to working with you.
I look forward to working more with you. You're doing a great job so far.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Awesome.
All right.